What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Big day. We're installing a wide body kit from a Nissan Z. So today we're tackling front flare, passenger, front bumper, along with the attachment that goes under the bumper, and then this side, driver side flare. So we're going to tackle this today, one video. Another video is going to be the rear, and then we're going to get on up to wrapping this car, show you guys what color that I got. We already got the, see the vinyl frog? We got the wrap inside there. So I'm going to do a lot of no talking, just clips, music, and let's just grind this because I am installing this solo. I'm ready to just tackle this on. This Z is going to be a full-on garage build. No shop is going to touch my car. So that is the whole goal, and I'm just ready to build this thing and finish this up in a few weeks and get this on the road to this next car show that's coming up. So enough talking, and let's just get to work. pretty much sums up part 1. I got a little stuck, but let me just show you. So you did see that I cut some of the bumper off. I did remove this bar right here. So that bar is attached to this frame that sticks out right here. So I'm having trouble with the fitment of the bumper. It's leaving a gap right here. So it's kind of like it needs to go down more and push in. So it's hidden right here, and I already shaved that part. So I got 2 things I could try tomorrow. So either I made a marking right here. I cut this off right here on the inner of the bumper and try to push it in more. Just so, let's just see how much it could go in and down. And if that doesn't work, then I have to cut this piece off. So let me just show you exactly what that piece is. So pretty much is this piece. Like either chop this straight down. So I have to see if that works or not, because it kind of needs to go down more. The bumper's sitting a little bit too high, like slightly high, not even that much, but it does sit slightly high, because when I did test fit the hood, going down, it hits it. So it needs to go down like a 1/4 inch, maybe. So, but these are in the way. So I'm not sure what I'm doing yet. I'm trying to ask some people, you know, what do you think the shop did? But I already trimmed this part right here at the bottom, as you saw, so that way it wasn't hitting this part. So it did help already, but then I'm just missing a little bit more, about a 1/4 inch, to push it down and in slightly more.